Hi, in this video we are going to be discussing something different. So we have this contour map, as you can see here, as we imported from the global mapper at the last video we made. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the elevations in a better way. As you can see here, elevations are not set correctly. You cannot find them useful for you. So I'm going to teach you today how to make the elevations, how to find them using the labels. Alright, so follow my steps. First of all, the first thing we need to do is to head into one of them and click on it. Then hit on select similar. Then hit the delete button on your keyboard. Alright, now we have all elevations gone. Alright, so what we're going to do is to draw the elevations ourselves. There is a simple and beautiful way to draw it using the Civil 3D tools. So we need to go to Annotate, Tab, and hit on Add Label. So we hit on the multiple, click on it, choose surface, then multiple, contour multiple, and begin from the edge, from here. Okay, then okay, just keep making stuff like this. Okay, keep moving the line along the contour map so it can move freely along the contour map. Okay, so just keep doing this. Alright, and we are done. And we hit exit. So as you can see here, let me zoom. Here are the elevations. Here we have the green line. The green line is known as the major contour line, and the other lines that has the red color are called the minors. Okay, so as you can see, there are a lot of elevations. It's so hard, to work with it. It's so complex. You have a lot of elevations. So to make it easier for us, okay, first of all, we need to fix the intervals. As you can see here, between this green line and this green line, we have like 5 differences, 5 meters elevations. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as you can see. Okay, so this makes the contour map so complex, has a lot of numbers, so we need to fix that. Yeah, and by the way, if you couldn't find an elevation here for any point, just go to the add labels, surface, and click on contour single, and here you go. Okay, so let's get back to our point. So now to fix the intervals, first thing we need to do is to go to edit. Okay, let me try it again. Just hit here and right click on edit surface style. After that, you will be in a label or a tab called contours. Hit on contour intervals. As you can see here, it's from 1 to 5. Okay, so this is the difference. 1 between every minor interval and 5 between every major interval, as you just saw here. So between two major there is 5 difference, and between everyone there is like 1 meter difference. So to change that, just to make it smoother, to make it easier for you to work, if you don't want this complex shape you have in front of you, just change it to 2. And as you can see, the major interval has changed as well. Hit on apply and OK. And here you go. So now the difference between both intervals is 10 and the minors is 2. Okay? Alright, now let's do something else. Well, it's better than before. You can change the interval as you want. You can use your own settings for this. Okay? So there is something else you want to do. Suppose that you want to make the major intervals text is bigger than the minor interval. Okay? So just go to the settings, exit the pan, go to the surface styles, no, not surface styles, sorry, label styles, contour, and existing major labels. Change the major to 5, okay, and hit OK. As you can see, the major is bigger now. You can leave the minor as is. So whenever you want to hit to a major, you just can see that the bigger numbers are for the major lines. So this is what this video about. It's just easy. You just need to focus on it to make you able to understand your contour map better and to make better work on it. Okay? Thank you for watching and have a good day.